Hello everyone, this is Bill from Chiffo, and today we're gonna show you how to prepare your accessory and how to install N500. This is our gas water heater. And first you can see here is our packing list, including the flue and the different valve. And this is a temperature and pressure valve for safety. And this one is for one-way cold water inlet. And this valve can install here, and for safety, which is for temperature and the pressure safety. And also this kind of valve is you can install here for the cold water inlet, and this is a one-way in. The cold water can only through this. It cannot go out when you turn it on. Okay, just like this way. Before the installation for the valve, you need this kind of sealing tab for the valve, just like this way here. Okay. Then you insert the valve here. This is the first sealing. This is a one-way valve for the cold water, and you can place here. Okay, here is our introduction how to install the whole models and from the beginning. The first one is a PT safety valve, which is for temperature and pressure. The second valve will be the cold water inlet. This is a one-way valve. The blue color valve will be prepared by yourself, and you can buy in the market. And this blue valve, which is for to control the inlet for the cold water. And this valve needs to connect with a cold water pipe, just like this way. This is a valve for the hot water outlet. The pipe you need to prepare by yourself. Okay, we don't provide the metal pipe. in the packaging. The third valve is a sewage pipe for the waste water. The fourth one, which is for the gas inlet. It's needed connected with your gas inlet pipe. This is a flow how to install. You place it on the top. The flow need to connect it with outdoor. Cannot be in indoor use.